Low hum of wind through stone arches, distant rainfall steady and soft. Padron enters with slow ceremonial pose. Single bagpipe drone fades in. Long stay, no. Light reverb on all elements, cathedral-like space. Rain patterns deeply on slate roof. A faint gust echoes between pillars. Bagpipe melody begins. Simple modal phrase. Dorian mode repeats with subtle variation, layered with breath like synth pad. Pattern shifts to compound rhythm. 3/4 bagpipe carries a wandering melody, ascending in steps. Slow cello-like undertone pulses beneath. Wind howls faintly in left channel. Water drips from an arch into a stone basin. Melody returns, now harmonized at the fifth reed. Vibrates with slight imperfection. Human raw echo trail lingers after each phrase. Bottom intensifies, double strike pattern. Rain increases slightly in volume. Bagpipe climbs chromatically. 3 rising notes in pad swells beneath, adding warmth. The deep gong strikes, once felt, more than heard. Tension builds quietly like approaching purpose. Full bottom rhythm, driving but not fast. Bagpipes play bold, heroic theme in a minor harmony. Layer second bagpipe enters a fifth above. Drone deepens with sub-bass resonance. Rain and wind form rhythmic texture underneath. Chimes shimmer in background. The repeats slightly embellish. Each phrase resolves with a descending run. Modern softens, returns to heartbeat pulse. Bagpipe plays a variation more lyrical. Inflates, replaced by a faint crackle of distant fire. Subtle murmurs beneath. Melody dances with syncopation. Occasional low drum hit like a signal from tower. Rain returns in waves. Full rhythm reinstated. Bagpipes soar with main theme stronger now. Harmonized drones fill spectral space. Bodran drives with pride and resolve. Chimes ring in thirds like tempo bells. Layer of low brass swells beneath. Final phrase ends with held dissonance, then release. Sudden silence, only rain and distant winds. Single bodran hit echoes 3 times. Bagpipe whispers a new mysterious motif in beat, fragile like eastern lands. Synth pad pulses like a slow breath. Low string tremolo builds beneath. A single Latin phrase chanted. Feeble ebb returns. Melody twist stride. Bodran resumes heroic stride. Bagpipe plays original theme in inversion. Rain now sinks subtly with drum pads.